Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes in beautiful sunny Sarasota, Florida. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle here to talk to you about more interesting, exciting, and hopefully helpful Corvette stuff. Today we're going to be discussing one of my favorite subjects, great drives. So while we all love Corvettes and we love the hobby and we love car shows and we love cleaning our cars and upgrading our cars, at the end of the day, the main thing that I love to do with my car is actually find a great road and go drive it. Because let's face it, that's where you and your car are one. That's where you get to go out and really exercise the vehicle and maybe grow your driving skill a little bit. On the few occasions where I actually get out of town and I'm not towing a trailer full of Corvette parts, I like to be in my Corvette and I like to go find roads in the middle of nowhere where I can go enjoy the car, legally of course, to my limit. Now, one of the most famous roads in the eastern United States is called the Tail of the Dragon, famous for its 318 curves in 11 miles. It is extremely technical, but it's also very, very crowded. And you've got motorcyclists and you've got semi-trucks that are actually, GPS still routes them through there and they can't make all those tight turns staying on their side of the double yellow. So the Tail of the Dragon, believe me, it's awesome. But you know, just down the road from Tail of the Dragon is an entirely different road, the Cherohala Skyway. Hello, my 71,000 plus YouTube viewers and the 37% of you who haven't subscribed yet. I just wanted to say thank you for all of your help with getting us more subscribers and actually clicking that button. As you know, our goal is to get to 100,000 by the end of the year, and you are the only one who can help me do that. So if you aren't subscribed, please do. And if you find value in what we do, please share our channel with other Corvette people you know. Thank you. So what is the Cherohala Skyway? Well, this is a road that connects Tellico Plains, Tennessee and to Robbinsville, North Carolina. And it is named after the Cherokee and Nantahala forests. This is wide lanes, it's flowing curves, it's low traffic. It's great for high-powered sports cars. It's great for anybody who wants to have an engaging, uninterrupted drive through some of the most beautiful country in the eastern United States. There are peaks that you're going to visit on this Skyway up to 5,300 feet. In particular, it's better for Corvettes. It's got smooth pavements. It's got fewer tight switchbacks than Tail of the Dragon, so you actually get to flow as you drive. It's not so deeply technical where it's gas, brake, turn, gas, brake, turn, gas, brake. This is more of a paint the road kind of drive. The sweeping corners allow you to really enjoy the car's balance and power. Lots of scenic overlooks, lots of places along the Skyway to stop and have a picnic or to have a great overlook. So while you may want to do the drive from beginning to end and just enjoy the flow, you might want to make a U-turn and go back the other direction and make a bunch of different stops to really enjoy the terrain and the beautiful country that you're in. So in that 43 miles, you really get to live on the road rather than being just intensely focused on every one of the 318 turns on Tail of the Dragon. It's also something you can make a day out of, where Tail of the Dragon, I mean, you're kind of done pretty quick. It's more of a relaxed vibe. It doesn't mean you can't drive the car well or drive the car in a sporting fashion, but it's more epic than it is intense, if that makes sense. Here's some tips for you if you want to go visit the Cherohala Skyway. You want to definitely go early in the morning or go midweek for the best conditions. You can certainly pair it with Tail of the Dragon because they're very near each other, but it's a nice change of pace from the Tail of the Dragon while still being very engaging. You definitely, while you're on the Skyway, don't want to miss the Santitla Overlook, which is the most scenic and panoramic overlook of the many that are there. This is the one that kind of takes your breath away. It's really a hidden gem for Corvette owners, being that it's longer, smoother, and more scenic than some of the other roads in that area, but still has the interesting topography, the kind of smooth roller coaster drive that you get that we all love. So if you're going to be in that area, don't miss it. I'm actually going to do a series of videos about this, roads that are known to be really good specifically for our cars. and I will continue to share those with you. I would love to go drive the Cherohala this weekend. Unfortunately, believe it or not, this highway in North Carolina and Tennessee is closer to Canada than it is to me here in Florida, because it takes forever to get out of Florida. But next time I'm in the North Carolina, Tennessee area, you can guarantee I'll be going to visit the Cherohala Skyway. And I hope you do too. If you've driven that road and have had a good experience, a bad experience, or have something you want to share about it with our viewers, please put it in the comments below. Or more importantly, if you have recommendations for a great drive anywhere in the United States, or hell, anywhere internationally, put it in the comments below and I can add that to the list of videos I'm going to do and share it with more people. So here's hoping that you guys have a great drive in the very near future. Like and subscribe if you like what we're doing here. Thank you for joining us.